Both the vertical distance and horizontal distance of a javelin is given below. So we're going to go up above, and we know height is going to be your y, and your distance is going to be x. Let's go to statistics and let's plug this in, making sure the x's are with the bottom values. Okay, now my y values. Okay, use the regression capabilities to create a quadratic model. So I'm going to go to stats, go over to quadratic, and press enter all the way through. Okay, now how do I enter it into this area? We're going to go to vars, go down to statistics, go across, oops, so sorry, just hit the wrong button there. Go across to, what am I doing? Let's try it again. Vars, statistics, go to EQ, and there it is. But you know what I forgot to do, and I've seen students do this a lot, with all this mess up, I forgot to put y equals first. One last time. There it is. Okay, now in Windows, let's look at the x's. It goes from 0 to 71, so let's go out to at least 100, and then we're going to zoom fit this. So this is the javelin throw, and we can see this is where the javelin would hit the ground. All right, so I would have you go ahead and to draw this picture, and then you'd put the windows in. This would be 0 and 100. And then here, I really don't need to have negative numbers because this javelin's not going to go down below, but I could adjust this window to not have any negative y values. Again, the javelin's not going below the ground. And so we could go actually from 0 all the way up to 26. Okay, so now that I have an appropriate viewing window, what is the height of the javelin when it's released by the thrower? So this is the initial height. If we simply hit trace one time, oops, sorry, I guess I've monkeyed with this. If we do second trace value and I go to 0, at x equals 0, we can see the height above the ground is 6.966 if we round to the nearest thousands. Now, the height is going to be given in, let's go up here and let's check what is it given in. It does not say specifically what the units are, so we'll just say 6.966 units above ground. What is the maximum height of the javelin? So the maximum height of the javelin in feet and in inches. Okay, now we can see it was in feet. So 6.966 feet. We want to know what is this maximum. Second trace, let's do the relative maximum here. So to the left, to the right, and back up to the highest point. This represents the horizontal distance. The y is going to be actually the top distance. So there's 26 feet. And now I'm going to write this down. X equals 26.373338. Okay, so I'm going to take this portion, 0.373338. There's 26 full feet. But now in terms of inches, we asked ourselves how many inches are in 1 foot. There's 12. Take it times 12, so we have 4.48 inches. How far was the javelin thrown in feet and in inches? So we want to know when it hits the ground, how far did it actually go horizontally? So I'm actually going to take this window and I'm going to drop it down so we have negative y values, so we have just a better view of when it hits the ground. So to figure out this x-intercept, I'm going to go second trace, and let's find the 0. Okay, enter, enter, and back up. Here we go. So we're at 85 feet, but notice we have this partial point, and I got to write this down, 85.4157666. So this is the partial, and I can clear it out, 0.415766. Again, how many inches are in a foot? There is 12. So we have 85 feet and 4.989 inches.